Let us have a look on methane. Now the structure of methane is C, H, H, H and H. That means carbon, it has a 4 hydrogen. So this is the structure of methane. If I look into the sigma bond, how many sigma bonds are present? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means all the bonds are what? Sigma, and total 4 sigma bonds are present. So if I look into this table, I can see that 4 sigma bond means what type of hybridization it is? SP3. So this carbon is SP3 hybridized. Okay, this is how you are going to identify the hybridization. Let us now write down the structure for ethane. Ethane is C2H6. So C2 means between two carbon atom, there will be single bond. Then the first carbon, since it is tetravalent, you put 4 bond. But already 1 bond is present. So 2, 3 and 4. On the second carbon, already 1 bond is present. 2, 3 and 4. And then you balance it with now hydrogen. So these are hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen and hydrogen. Clear? Now again, all the bonds are what? Sigma bond. On each carbon atom, I'm going to look into this carbon. This carbon has how many sigma bond? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is sp3 hybridized. The second carbon, again it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second carbon is also sp3 hybridized. Right? So this is how you are going to identify the hybridization of any carbon atom or any element. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning and I'll see you in the next one.